Ladies and gentlemen, let's embark on an informal and friendly journey through the exciting world of big data. Imagine we're sitting down for a chat, sipping coffee, and discussing big data in the simplest, most relatable terms. We're about to unlock the mysteries of this fascinating concept. Part one: what on earth is big data? So, what exactly is big data? You might wonder. Well, picture this: it's like being at a gigantic buffet where you're served endless amounts of different types of food, and there's so much food that it's coming at you from all directions. That's big data, an enormous, never ending buffet of information. But it's not just about being big in size, like having an enormous pile of papers or a huge bookshelf crammed with books. Big data has three special qualities that make it stand out, and we like to call them the three Z's. Volume. First, there's the matter of volume. This is all about how much data we're talking about. It's like having that endless buffet of information so much that it feels like it never ends. Think about how many emails, pictures, videos, and documents you come across every day. All of that makes up the enormous volume of data we're dealing with. Velocity. The next V is velocity. It's all about how quickly it comes at us. Imagine it's not just a static pile of information. It's like a never ending rainstorm of new data. Every time you send a text, post a picture, or make an online purchase, you're adding more and more data to this constant downpour. Variety. Finally, we have variety. Big data isn't just text or numbers. It's like a massive mix of different things, just like your closet is clothes, shoes, and accessories. This data can be words, images, videos, sounds, and even social media posts. It's like having a whole box of diverse Lego pieces. You have to figure out how to use them all together. So big data is like having a never-ending buffet of information that's huge, coming at you fast, and includes all sorts of things. But what do we do with all of this data? How do we make sense of it all? That's where the magic of big data comes in. Part two: how does big data work? Big data doesn't just sit there. We make it work for us. It's like having a huge box of Lego pieces. You don't just stare at it. You start building amazing stuff. One. Data collection. This is the process of gathering all of those Lego pieces in one place. It's like putting all your bricks in a big container. In the big data world, we collect information from various sources like sensors, social media, online transactions, and more. Now, data storage. After you've collected all your Lego pieces, you want to organize them, right? You might put the blue bricks in one box and the red ones in another. In the big data world, we use special databases to store the information neatly. Three. Data processing. This is like sorting through your Lego pieces to see what you've got. In big data, we use powerful computers to go through the information. It's like looking for patterns, trends, and insights that can be super useful. Data visualization. Once you've built something amazing with your Lego bricks, you want to show off, right? In big data, we use charts, graphs, and fancy dashboards to show off the information in a way that's easy to understand. It's like displaying your Lego masterpieces. Five. Machine learning. This is like having a friend who's really good at Lego and can suggest cool things to build. Machine learning is like having a helper that can make predictions, recognize patterns, and even suggest solutions based on the data. It's like getting inspiration for your next Lego project. Six. Predictive analytics. This is like your friend saying, hey, based on the Lego pieces you have, I think you could build a fantastic castle. Predictive analytics uses historical data to predict future events or trends. It's like having a friend who can predict which Lego sets you might love next. Oh, seven. Real-time analytics. Imagine you're building a Lego tower and your friend gives you advice on the spot to make it stronger. Real-time analytics is like making decisions in the moment based on the data that's streaming in. It's like getting live help while building your Lego creations. Eight. Sentiment analysis. This is like being able to tell if someone likes your Lego creation just by looking at their expression. Sentiment analysis helps you understand people's feelings and opinions from their social media posts or comments. It's like reading people's reactions to your Lego projects. Part three. Where do we find big data? Now let's explore where we bump into big data in our daily lives. Social media data. Have you ever posted a picture on Instagram or tweeted about your day? Every post, every like, every comment, that's all data. It's like having a diary for your life that you're constantly updating. Social media companies use this data to understand what's trending and to tailor their services to your interests. It's like having a friend who's always in the know about the latest trends and suggests what movies to watch or what books to read. Healthcare data. Remember the last time you visited the doctor and they asked about your medical history? That's all part of big data. Your health records, lab results, and even medical images all count. Healthcare professionals use this data to make more accurate diagnoses, predict disease outbreaks, and even personalized treatment plans. It's like having a super smart medical assistant who keeps track of your health history and helps you make the best health decisions. E-commerce data. Find your own when you shop online. Every click, every product view, every purchase generates data. It's like having a record of all your shopping preferences. Online retailers use this data to suggest products you might like and optimize their supply chains, like having a personal shopper who knows your style and always recommends the perfect outfits. IO data. The Internet of Things ILS all about everyday objects like your smart thermostat, your connected car, and even your smart refrigerator being connected to the internet. These devices generate data, and manufacturers and service providers use this data to monitor, control, and improve their products. It's like having your appliances give you feedback. Part 4. The future of big data. The future of big data is a fascinating one. We're not just going to keep using big data. We're going to use it even more and in even more incredible ways. Explainable here. We're working on making AI more transparent. It's like getting your friend to explain a complex topic in simple terms. Right now, I can be a bit like a magic trick. It does amazing things, but it doesn't always tell you how it's done. In the future, we're working to make AI more understandable and less like a mysterious wizard. Quantum computing. Imagine having a supercomputer on steroids. Quantum computing can potentially supercharge big data analytics, allowing us to solve complex problems much faster. It's like going from a regular bike to a rocket-powered one. With quantum computing, we'll be able to process even more data and discover new things at lightning speed. As it becomes more integrated into our lives, there's a growing emphasis on ethics, fairness, and accountability in AI development and use. It's like teaching your friend to be a responsible and considerate person. We want AI to be used in ways that are fair, ethical, and aligned with our values. This means that we're working hard to ensure that AI doesn't discriminate or make unfair decisions.